Hello students, in this video we will discuss indeterminate form 1 power infinity. We will discuss limits based on this form. Now here this one is not exactly 1. ये जो 1 है वो exactly 1 नहीं है. This one is approaching to 1. It is approximately 1, maybe slightly more than 1 or slightly less than 1. Consider this limit x tends to 0 plus of 1 plus greatest integer of x power 1 upon x. Okay, now when x tends to 0 plus, this value will be 0. Okay, 0 plus का greatest integer क्या होगा, उसका greatest integer 0 होगा. So here base will be exactly 1. ठीक है, यहाँ पे जो base है वो exactly 1 होगा. So we have exactly 1 power infinity and this value will be 1. So this is not an indeterminate form. Okay, now consider this form 1 power infinity in which base 1 is not exactly 1. This is indeterminate form. हम ऐसे भी चेक कर सकते हैं. Let this is y. Okay, we take logarithm both sides. We get log of y is equal to log of 1 power infinity. Using properties of logarithm, we can write like this: infinity multiplied by log of 1. Okay, now here again this log 1 is not exactly 0. log 1 का वैल्यू 0 होता है, पर जब वो 1 exactly 1 होगा. ठीक है ना. Here this one is not exactly 1, this is approximately 1, so this value is approximately 0, or we can say this value approaches to 0. So we have actually infinity multiplied by 0 form, in which this 0 is not exactly 0, and we know that this is indeterminate form. ये होता है ना indeterminate form. Okay, so 1 power infinity is also an indeterminate form. Now we have one standard limit which has form 1 power infinity. We have this one, limit x tends to infinity of 1 plus 1 upon x power x. Value of this is e. You can check this is 1 power infinity form. When x approaches to infinity, 1 upon x approaches to 0. Okay, so we have base approaching to 1. Okay, and power approaching to infinity. So we have 1 power infinity form. Value of this limit is e. You know the value of e. E is an irrational number whose approximate value is 2.718. Okay, now we can prove this using expansion formulas. Okay, we use the expansion formulas of functions e power x and 1 plus x power n. Expansion of e power x is 1 plus x upon 1 factorial plus x square upon 2 factorial plus x cube upon 3 factorial and so on. We have infinite terms. Okay, where modulus of x is less than 1. Okay, an expansion of 1 plus x power n is 1 plus nx plus n into n minus 1 over 2 factorial x square plus n into n minus 1 multiplied by n minus 2 over 3 factorial x cube and so on. Okay, this is also for modulus of x less than 1, where n is any rational number. In that case we have modulus of x less than 1. If n is natural number, then we will have finite terms in this expansion. Okay, then we can replace coefficients by nc1, nc2, nc3 and so on. In that case x can take any real value. But when n is not a natural number, then we have to use this condition, modulus of x less than 1. That means x lies between -1 and 1. Okay, now what we do for this, we replace here x by 1 upon x and n by x. Okay, so we get this one, limit x tends to infinity of, we replace x by 1 upon x and n by x. Okay, so we get 1 plus x multiplied by 1 upon x. Okay, plus x multiplied by x minus 1 over 2 factorial multiplied by 1 upon x square plus x multiplied by x minus 1, x minus 2 over 3 factorial multiply by 1 upon x cube and so on. Okay, we have infinite terms. Let's simplify it. We get this one 1 plus 1 plus, now here x gets cancelled out and x minus 1 over x will be 1 minus 1 over x. So we have this over 2 factorial. Here we will get 1 minus 1 upon x multiplied by 1 minus 2 upon x divided by 3 factorial. Okay, and so on. इस तरह से टर्म्स आएंगे यहाँ पे, ठीक है ना, समझ में आ रहा है. Now here x approaches to infinity, x tends to infinity, so 1 upon x, 2 upon x, next term 3 upon x and then 4 upon x, all these values approach to 0. ये सारे values 0 को approach करेंगी, ठीक है. So what we get after putting the limiting value of x, we get 1 plus 1 plus 1 upon 2 factorial plus 1 upon 3 factorial plus 1 upon 4 factorial and so on, ठीक है. And this is definitely e power 1. Okay, in this expansion put x is equal to 1, we get this value. Okay, this is expansion of e power 1, that means limiting value of this is e, approximate value is 2.718. so this is one way to get the value of this limit. हम expansion formulas use कर रहे हैं, ठीक है ना. We can also check the trend of values of this function when x increases. जब x increase करेगा तो इस function की values का जो trend है हम उसको भी check कर सकते हैं. Like here I have made this table in Microsoft Excel. In first column I have put the values of x, in second column the values of this function, and in third column difference between consecutive values of function for consecutive values of x. Okay. When x is equal to 1, value of this function is 2. x को 1 रखो, यहाँ पे function का value 2 मिलेगा. When x is equal to 2, we get the value of function 2.25. ठीक है. 1 plus 1 upon 2 is 3 upon 2. 3 upon 2 power 2 is 9 upon 4. 9 upon 4 is 2.25. Okay. Then we have value for x is equal to 3. We can see that value of function increases with increase in value of x, but difference between consecutive values of function decreases. जो increment है वो कम होता जा रहा है, increment in value of function decreases, ठीक है ना. ये function का value बढ़ता तो जा रहा है, but धीरे धीरे जो increment है वो कम होता जा रहा है, ठीक है, आपको दिखाई दे रहा है. इसमें आप कुछ नहीं कर सकते, ये function का nature ही ऐसा है, ठीक है ना. And when we take x very high, okay, आप check करो यहाँ पे, when we take x very high, difference between consecutive values approaches to 0, ठीक है, and at that time value of this function approaches to this value 2.718, which is a value of e. ठीक है ना. जब हम x को बहुत बड़ा वैल्यू लेंगे उस टाइम पे इस फंक्शन का वैल्यू इस वैल्यू को अप्रोच कर रहा है, ठीक है, और x की दो कंसेक्यूटिव वैल्यूज के लिए फंक्शन की वैल्यूज का जो डिफरेंस है वो ऑलमोस्ट 0 हो रहा है, 0 को अप्रोच कर रहा है. दैट मीन्स अप्रोक्सीमेट वैल्यू ऑफ दिस इज e. दिस इज इन फैक्ट वेरी गुड अप्रोक्सीमेशन, ठीक है, which is limiting value of this function when x approaches to infinity. x approaches to infinity means x is very high. यहाँ पे तो x की finite value के लिए ही हमें ये value मिल रहा है, ठीक है. That means limit x tends to infinity of this expression is e. Limiting value इसका e होगा. हम value के trend को study करके भी ये limiting value निकाल सकते हैं. Okay. We can also refer the graph of this function. Suppose this is a function f of x. Okay, what is the domain of this function? इस function का domain क्या होगा? This function is defined when 1 plus 1 upon x is greater than 0. Base जो है वो positive होना चाहिए because power x is variable. Okay, So we have x plus 1 over x greater than 0. Using sign scheme method, we get x less than minus 1 or x greater than 0. This is domain of function. So here we have graph of function in the domain minus infinity to minus 1 and 0 to infinity. Okay, and we can see that graph approaches to value e when x approaches to infinity or x approaches to माइनस इंफिनिटी. ग्राफ जो है वो e को अप्रोच कर रहा है जब x इंफिनिटी या फिर माइनस इंफिनिटी को अप्रोच कर रहा है. वी विल लर्न लेटर ऑन हाउ टू ड्रॉ द ग्राफ ऑफ दिस फंक्शन. जब हम मोनोटोनिसिटी एंड मैक्सिमा मिनिमा करेंगे हम उस टाइम पे इस फंक्शन का ग्राफ ड्रॉ करेंगे. बट referring to the graph, we understand that value of this limit is e, because when x approaches to infinity or minus infinity, graph approaches to e. Here line y is equal to e is asymptotes to the function. ठीक है, यहाँ पे जो ये लाइन है y is equal to e, ये फंक्शन को asymptote है. asymptote is line tangent to curve at infinity. वो लाइन जो कर्व को इंफिनिटी पे टच करता है हम उसको एसिम्प्टोट कहते हैं. ठीक है ना. ओके, तो आपको समझ में आ गया. दिस लिमिटिंग वैल्यू इज ई. वी हैव वन मोर स्टैंडर्ड लिमिट इन अवर लिस्ट. ओके, वी हैव अनदर फॉर्म ऑफ दिस लिमिट इफ वी रिप्लेस 1 बाय एक्स बाय वाई. अगर हम 1 अपॉन एक्स को वाई पुट करेंगे तो क्या होगा? व्हेन एक्स अप्रोचेस टू इंफिनिटी, y will approach to 0. Okay, so we have limit y tends to 0 of 1 plus y power 1 upon y, and this value is also e. ठीक है ना. हमने क्या किया, सिर्फ x को 1 upon y लिया या 1 upon x को y लिया तो हमें ये फॉर्म मिला. ठीक है ना. This is also 1 power infinity form. Put here 0, we get 1, and here we get infinity. 0 means tends to 0, not exactly 0. Okay.